Groundwater surveyors play a crucial role in assessing the availability and quality of groundwater resources. In Gurgaon Sector 44, one prominent institution that specializes in this field is the Scon design. The institute is known for its expertise in conducting comprehensive surveys and analysis of groundwater resources in the area. Gurgaon, a rapidly developing city in India, has been facing significant challenges in managing its water resources. With the increasing population and urbanization, there has been a surge in the demand for water, putting immense pressure on the existing sources. To address this issue, the role of groundwater surveyors becomes pivotal. In Sector 44 of Gurgaon, where the Scon design is located, groundwater surveyors are actively involved in conducting surveys to assess the quantity and quality of groundwater. These surveys involve collecting data through various techniques such as drilling boreholes, installing monitoring wells, and analyzing groundwater samples. The collected data is then analyzed to determine the availability and sustainability of groundwater resources in the area. The expertise of the Scon design lies in providing accurate and reliable information on groundwater resources. Their team of skilled professionals uses advanced equipment and techniques to conduct surveys and gather data. Their comprehensive approach ensures that all aspects related to groundwater, including its quality and potential for recharge, are thoroughly assessed. The survey reports prepared by the Scon design are highly regarded by local authorities, government agencies, and industries alike. These reports provide crucial insights into the current state of groundwater resources in Sector 44 of Gurgaon. They serve as valuable inputs for decision-making processes related to water resource management and planning. When determining the quantity and quality of groundwater resources, groundwater surveyors are essential. One renowned organization with expertise in this area is the Scon design, which is located in Gurgaon Sector 44. The institute is renowned for its skills in conducting in-depth analyses and surveys of the local groundwater resources. The management of Gurgaon's water supplies has been extremely difficult for the quickly growing city in India. An enormous amount of pressure is being placed on the existing sources of water as a result of the population boom and urbanization. Groundwater surveyors play a crucial part in resolving this issue. Groundwater surveyors are actively involved in performing surveys to evaluate the quantity and quality of groundwater where the Scon design is located in Gurgaon Sector 44. In conducting these surveys, data are gathered using a variety of methods, including drilling boreholes, putting in monitoring wells, and testing groundwater samples. The area's groundwater resources' accessibility and viability are assessed using the data that have been gathered. The Scon design specializes in offering precise and trustworthy information on groundwater resources. To conduct surveys and collect data, their team of knowledgeable experts employs cutting-edge tools and methods. Their rigorous methodology makes sure that every aspect of groundwater, including